Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's combine 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and a 1/4 cup of lime juice in a bowl. Make sure your ingredients are at room temperature. This will help them blend together more smoothly and give us that perfect creamy base we're looking for. Now we're going to add our spice blend that really makes this sauce pop. Add 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, chipotle chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin, followed by 1/2 teaspoon each of dill, smoked paprika, and salt. This combination might seem like a lot, but trust me, each spice plays its part in creating that authentic burrito sauce flavor. Let's grab our whisk and combine everything until we get a perfectly smooth consistency. You want to make sure there are no spice clusters. Nobody wants to bite into a pocket of pure chipotle powder. Keep whisking until you see a uniform color throughout the sauce. Time for a consistency check. If you find your sauce is too thick, you can thin it out with a little extra lime juice or water. Add just a tiny bit at a time. Remember, we can always add more, but we can't take it out once it's in there. The perfect consistency should be similar to a thick salad dressing. For those who love an extra smooth sauce, you can take this to your blender or food processor. A quick pulse or two will give you that silky smooth restaurant-style finish. If you're happy with the whisked consistency, feel free to skip this step. It's totally up to your preference. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Finally, transfer your sauce to an airtight container and pop it in the fridge. This sauce actually gets better after a few hours when all those flavors have had time to mingle and get to know each other. It'll keep well for about a week, but I doubt it'll last that long. It's seriously that good. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.